everybody! Today, let's dive into the world of energy, specifically nuclear energy. You might have heard some things about it, but how safe is it really? Let's break it down. Nuclear energy is actually considered one of the safest ways to produce electricity. Sounds surprising, right? But there's a lot of information to explore. Experts look at different kinds of hazards when figuring out the safety of nuclear energy. They consider everything. This includes accidents, hurricanes, earthquakes, dangers on the job for workers, and even air pollution. But here's the key point. They analyze the safety throughout the whole process, from digging the fuel out of the ground all the way to managing leftover materials. Imagine getting energy from a source that not only works efficiently, but ranks high on the safety scale. Nuclear power usually comes out as one of the safest options compared to other methods of generating electricity. It might surprise you to learn that if we add up all the operating time of all the nuclear reactors around the world, we'll get 18,500 years spread across 36 different countries. Over that vast amount of time, there have only been 3 significant accidents: 3 Mile Island, Chernobyl, and Fukushima. This means when we look at the big picture, thousands of years of reactor experience, serious accidents are very rare. Nuclear plants have some of the strongest safety measures in place to protect us. They're built with barriers designed to contain any radiation, plus they're equipped with advanced technology that helps detect problems before they become serious. Now, before this lesson ends, let me tell you a little bit about what to expect in following lessons. We will explore what makes nuclear energy safe, we will cover the basics of safety protocols and protection systems, along with how risks are managed, and we will introduce the probabilistic risk assessment, PRA, and how it helps mitigate risk. And then finally, we will provide examples of how PRA methods are applied in nuclear power plants. As we have learned throughout our examples, nuclear power plants have rigorous safety measures and a culture focused on continuous improvement. So, the next time you hear about nuclear energy, you can think of all the hard work that goes into making it safe and sustainable. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for our next exploration of nuclear energy. See you next time!